Morning! Welcome to We Drive Usagazi no Caesar Space. Today it's Monday and oh yes, I'm driving to work. Today I want to talk about this one thing ozama ngayo yonke indlela ukuyi-avoida ukuthi ingenzeke empilweni yakho as long as usaphila. I want to talk about us as a majid. We always try by all means ukuthi avoid ukuba nengane with someone ongenayo i-relationship nayo. What do I mean about that? Siyazi izinto ziyenzeka as isikhula, you get to be involved sexually mhlambe nomuntu ongekho nayo kwi-relationship and you know ukuthi no, we're just doing this and we are not in a relationship and we will never be, and you always try to avoid ukuthi ungabi nengane nalowo muntu because it will be a disaster. So now, ngifuna ukuza kunina bogel as well ukuthi what is this one thing you always try ukuthi avoid empilweni yakho ukuthi ingenzeke as long as usaphila?